Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Time from the land of wrinkles. So there are two videos that I think I am probably not going to finish, and those are different little series. One of those was Unemployment Time with Lock-On Stratus, and I figure I'm kind of stopped making those just because unemployment in Japan was kind of awful. And I don't even have the costume anymore, so that one I think is completely done. And then the other one was Chris's Bad Fur Day, which was started as a Conqueror's Bad Fur Day little parody, and I kind of had an idea of an endpoint, but I was basically just making trips back and forth to stores to sell my items when I was in Japan for food, and then I was just in the end just having to throw everything I had basically into a dumpster. So the process of packing up kind of rushed things along, and I didn't finish it. I threw away all the costumes, so I think those two things are just gonna remain where they are, and they're just never gonna get finished. So yeah, that's all for this little video. Have a nice day.